Good morning, all of you. Today, I cannot give you the atmosphere of the school or a classroom because of some issues I could not reach at the school. So, I will explain by textbook and I'll solve one or two example on the board. By this, you have to learn today. And sorry for this inconvenience. Anyways, this topic we already discussed in session 2 when we were discussing about the rational number and find the betweens the number, if you remember. With this link I will share the same link again so you can understand more and preferably. Fine. So here one example I will show you on the board. Try to explain. Now, by the help of number line, locate 3.26 on the number line. If I ask the question that locate 3.26 on the number line, what you will do? This session is I already explained in previous session 2, rational number. If you want to see that video, I will share the same link again in your group and you can refer it again and then you can see this example so you can give the answer. Anyways, let us start focus on this question. Locate 3.26 on the number line. Fine, first we will draw the number line. Here we will start with 0. Here -1. I don't want this minus part, so I will not write more. I will start to write 1, 2, 3. Now my number is 3.26 on the number line. What I have to find? 3.26 on the number line. So 3.26, that means one more number I have to add. 4, right? Because this 2.3 will come after that 3 and before 4. So I'll zoom this line. See, I zoom this line. Here I wrote 3 and 4. So now how many digit will be there in your scale? If you see the properly, you can find total 10 remarks are there. Fine. So our number is 3.26. So what we will write? 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4. Now again we have to do one more line because our number will be between 3.2 and 3.3. Yes or no? Yes. So again I will do the little zoom. How? 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and 3.4. Now we will do zooming on this area. We will start with 3.21. I hope that understand. This I already taught you in previous session. Till how far we have to go? Till 2.6. 2.25 and last 2.26. So our number is here. So this is the method to find our irrational number on the number line. So this way you can find so many numbers according to question from exercise 1.4. Let us see that. Now here is one example from your textbook. You can see that here 2.665. We have to locate 2.665 with the help of number line. What they did from your textbook, here they have 2 and 3, then they part the zooming. Fine. Then 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 till here, 2.9 till 3. Then they want the answer 2.665. So they keep zooming on here. The same thing again they did zooming on this number. Right? That is a magnifying method, you can say. And the last, they are getting 2.6666. Another example is here. Locate representation of 5.37 bar. So 5.3, that means after 5 and before 6 we have to find the number. So here it is the example of 5.37. Then you can see the next number line 5.3, 5.4. Then here it is a round and magnifying lens they kept. So you can understand that is a zooming area for the next, or a magnifying area for the next line. So here it is a zooming area, they kept big one. This area they kept big one. So according to, they will get a 5.37 bar. Fine. This way you can find the between the numbers, or you can represent any particular number on the number line. Same thing you have to apply for the negative numbers also. If they are asking about the negative numbers, you have to write a left side everything. Fine, from the 0. So now for exercise 1.4, visualized 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. That means this lens type zooming, as I wrote on the board. And the last is that you can do by yourself. Fine. Then second question is visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal. Then when the 4 times 6 repeats, till you have to find this magnification. Maybe it takes 2 pages of your text rough book or fair book. Okay, so now this is your homework, exercise 1.4, that you have to do by yourself from this example. Fine. Thank you.